So we've just been called by the Woking Peregrine group who watch the peregrine falcons who nest there every year. Every year we get one of them in trouble. This year one of them has flown off the nest, but he's got stuck behind some scaffolding, so can't find his way out or up. So we're going to have to get him out of there, put him back on the nest so he can start all over again. We're looking for Eddie Gearing, he's coming to meet us. How close can we get to this bird? How long poles do we need? Oh, we can get right close. Oh, okay.
Before being allowed entry onto the site, we needed to put on our hard hats and high-vis jackets. Once kitted up, it was a bit of a climb to get to where the falcon had last been spotted.
Thank you, young man. Following you. Right, there's the bird right in front of us. We'll just get her in a net and then Laurie can grab her in his gloves and she can go in the cage and we can take her home. If we can find out where home is.
They're stuck there.
Up there.
On that, down the other side.
Right up there.
There's a camera and everything on them.
Long way to go. Right, beautiful bird. Right, I'm going to put this over so she can't fly anywhere. You need to go through and grab her, yeah? Go. Just be extra safe, that's all. Watch her feet, because they'll be quite vicious. Tell me when I'm done, I'll move the net away.
She's got the net, but I've got her.
Okay, I'll tell you what, we'll just unscrew that and make it more...
What a beautiful bird.
Hello, right, you've got the net and the bird now, yeah? Right, we're good.
With the bird contained, all we had to do now was to get it into the carrier.
You're right, it's going to be interesting. Right, one wing's loose. Ow. Just have to do it with the net, and once you let go, we'll pull it out. There you go.
Eddie, what's the quickest way to get to where we want to go to? Out where we were and down the road, or?
You want
shall we
to go
walk
up there, are you?
Oh, yeah, we've got to go up there now.
And he'll take you down to security, and he'll have to
take us up.
He'll have to take you.
And we can leave our car here, all right?
Yeah, you're fine. Yeah,
You're a star. Thank you, mate. I'll let you lead the way because I have no idea where I'm going.
As the falcon's nest was located high up on a neighbouring building, it was just a 5-minute walk to reach the entrance of our next ascent.
Thank you, gentlemen. We're going round here further. 15 stories we're going to. All right, birdie. Export house, there we are. So we've now got to go into the ventilator room apparently.
Oh, that's fun.
So go into the ventilator room, open the panel, and we should be able to just put the bird back in the nest because it's right the other side of the panel. But what we don't want to do is get all freaky and just fly straight off again. Yeah. So we just have to work out how we're going to do it, and we'll let her pop out herself. As long as the others are there, she should just pop out with them, hopefully. If it doesn't go right, you'll have to dive out afterwards. You've got a parachute with it in case.
I'd rather not have a 15-story fall.
15th floor, look at that. Blimey. Right, a bit high now. Right, so I get, oh, I can't look down. Can't look down from there. Just so, thank you, young man. Right. Blimey. Where are we going now? Oh, that must be the nest box there, Laurie. That's it there, okay. We'll have a sneak peek.
Yeah.
Jess will just open the door, hold her up to the desk and let her hop out by herself. I've never seen so many pigeon feathers in my life.
Right, so the nest is completely vacant at the moment.
All we can do is pop her back in the nest when she knows where she is. Just open the door quietly and it should be fine, I would have thought.
By positioning the cage in front of the nesting box, the peregrine just needed to take the final step out onto the ledge.
There you go, you got freedom. Don't look at me. Just staring at me at the moment.
He doesn't go out by himself, there's not much we can do about it.
Sadly, with the bird refusing to move, we needed to try a different approach.
You're going to hand hold her out?
Yeah, I think if you can get her out there, I'll grab, walk up here and post her through and just let go.
Okay, okay. Don't want her to fly, Laurie, that's all.
You need to keep her vision occupied.
Having safely caught the peregrine, Laurie now had to be careful to avoid injury from the bird's incredibly sharp talons and beak.
Right. Probably not going to let go of that for a minute.
With the bird's talons still tightly grasped around the net, it was a delicate task to climb the ladder and reach the nesting box.
You've got the net now and everything.
Right, she's in.
You just settled in there quietly?
Yeah, she's sat there just watching me perched on the edge.
Shut the door and walk away. That's the trick.
Good luck.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications of our latest content. If you want to help us save wildlife, please donate. Every pound you give will help us to save more wildlife.